Hi everybody, Dave Aquino with Basecamp Trading. This is the free video for Monday, February 9th. So really strong out of the gate today, up 2/3% in the S&P 500 market cap weighted index. Now this is very interesting. So you can see where we were back here on the 3rd. So we had 3 days down, 2 days up. Now this is a very important area because you see there's a descending trend line across from the tops on the 28th of January and the 3rd of February. So if we can break this area, get to 7,000 and then break the all-time high at 7,002, we're off to the races. But if we encounter resistance, can't push through, the market has a very good possibility of rolling over because we have falling momentum. Again, this is the high, roughly middle of January. Here's the high on the 28th. You see how momentum is getting gradually lower. Okay, if you're comparing the high on the 28th, 29th, and 30th, that momentum, we're definitely lower. So this is a bearish divergence. However, we can break that bearish divergence if we can manage to continue to push higher from here. Thanks.